Welcome back. You're here with me, Fireside Sounds, and all I can say is I'm very excited because we want to get some live music from Mr. Pearse, Halpin and band. Guys, I'm not going to talk anymore because I just want to hear. What have we got?
It's a song called Your Story.
Great stuff. I'm going to stay quiet. I want to hear this. Here we go.
Okay. 1, 2.
It's my responsibility. I don't know nothing to you. You don't know nothing to me. Tell me a story. Bathe me in glory. Tell me a story. Bathe me in glory.
I'm just going to soak that up. That was brilliant. Well done. Woo!
Thanks very much.
I wish there was a big audience to be cheering and shouting at this stage. That's brilliant. Woo! There was a woo! And they're cheering in the studio. That's the first I have to say. But they're just fantastic, guys.
Brilliant.
Definitely check these boys out because you know what? This is just a snippet of their live sound. If this is what it is to hear them live, I just want to be at all your gigs, honestly. Just an
Cheers,
invitation.
yeah.
Just open the doors and say, Marion's coming.
And we have Gavin as well, Gavin Murray, keyboard player, and he's not here because he wouldn't physically fit.
Keyboards. Wow.
So we have that real kind of warm wash
Yeah.
of keyboard thing going on as well, all the strings and
That's
stuff.
a real free spirit kind of a dancey song, isn't it? I could see somebody just, I have visions of somebody just dancing away.
Yeah.
Forgetting where they are.
That's the team
Good,
version.
yeah.
Funky
All the
feel,
funk
just
is you though, T. You know, yeah.
thanks very much.
The master of funk, y'all.
Appreciate it.
Brilliant. Listen, guys, you're brilliant. Right, I just want
Very liar, so
to,
is.
I'm going to mention a few things here because I did say I'd say hello to a few people now. Ed Tierney, how are you doing? I'm going to mention, these are a young band, actually, just get a bit of advice from you guys. They're called Culture Vandals, and Ed Tierney is a fantastic singer and a guitarist. And they're going into studio to do their first single, guys, and it's called Come Back to Me. Any words of advice before they go into studio? I have to say, well done, guys. It is not the easiest thing in the world, but if you do it, if you get to that stage, isn't it fantastic?
Yeah.
Words of advice, lads.
We'll all say something very quickly because I
Yeah.
think we've all experienced recording. But for me personally, make sure it's your best song. It sounds
Okay.
really smart or whatever.
Ed,
Just
are you
make sure,
listening?
make sure
Yeah.
it's your strongest song because for obvious reasons, but at the same time, when you're recording it, you know, it'll be better crack rather than kind of stuff that's half finished or, you know, and everyone be rehearsed. Don't be learning the song in the studio.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
Time
take
is
your
money.
time. Be happy with it. Don't be like just saying, "Oh yeah, that's okay. It'll do. I'm against the clock. Whatever. Okay, you're always against the clock." But be happy with it. That's the main thing. 'Cause
Brilliant
the
stuff.
end product is going to be everyone's going to be listening to that. It has to be right.
Wise.
Wise.
Fair play.
Probably just to know your material inside out, that you're not wasting time in the studio and just go in and do it and spend more time on the stuff that matters.
So the word pre-production is a biggie.
Yeah, and make use of it because it's expensive.
Okay.
Yeah,
No.
true.
Great.
Same as
Brilliant.
what Rory said,
Yeah.
you do your homework before you go in and have the song
Okay.
as tight as you can.
Make sure your
Know
guitar
what-
is loud enough,
know
somebody
what
said
you
to
want.
me.
Know what you want before you go in, you know.
Yeah.
Even have a demoed maybe on a 4-track or an 8-track,
demo
just
it.
roughly
Okay.
to have the
But that's
idea
the way
for
we work.
engineer.
Brilliant.
That's
Great
the way
stuff.
we work, yeah, bring
Okay,
it down,
brilliant.
yeah.
Best of luck, Culture Vandals. Definitely, we'll be listening out to it. Definitely send me in a video or anything you're doing. Tell me all about it. Great stuff. I have to say, congratulations to the Stripes yet again. Unbelievable. They performed for a very secret, top secret, special one-off for Elton John in front of the London Fashionista there at the weekend. For a Tommy Hilfiger, no doubt. I'll tell you something. And they were featured in the New York Times as well. So I have to say, well done.
Well done, Stripes.
Fantastic. Stripes.
Making Ireland proud.
Brilliant. We're so proud of you. Right, guys, busking. I have to say it's a biggie. It's very important. I think it's a good place to start. We're going to watch a few clips here and we'll come back. All right, I think we have Key West. Let's go to Key West now.
There's electricity. Can you feel it touching us both? It's pure simplicity. Just push the pedal and go. Oh, color me in your love state and let me pick up the scent like an animal, animal. Light up the floor like a cigarette. You got me licking my lips like a cannonball, cannonball. Blame me with your neon.
Well, listen, you know what I'm like when it comes to live sound. I have to say I absolutely love going to see somebody busking. Guys, do you know what? These days, what's your feeling about the whole scene when it comes to going out and busking? Do you think it's important for somebody to busk if they're a musician or
Oh,
artist?
absolutely, yeah, absolutely. You get immediate response. You've got a guaranteed audience. They may be passing by, they may stop and watch it, but keep going. You know, it's another thing. You won't have people be just staring at you. You know, keep playing. It's a great way to hone your talent and hone your art.
Practice and just
Yeah,
to get,
practice. Yeah.
maybe get yourself perfected just a little bit better. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So do you
Meet
find
people.
you can even do that with a bass as well? Would you go out and say bring a little mini amp or whatever and do it, get everything out there? Right, great. And it's acoustic bass, so that's handy enough as well. So
handy enough.
there you go. Can do. Right, guys, I just want to see another clip, and this is Code Line. We're going to watch this. They're busking as well, so we'll come back after this.
Seems to me I'm just scared of never feeling it again. But I know Smelly. I remember it now, it takes me back to when it all first started. But I've only got myself to blame for it, and I accept it's time.
Okay, that was Codaline. Busking, of course, it's always wonderful to see that. Another Irish band who are really hitting the scene running. Right, St. Patrick's Day, okay, a few months ago, Guinness in hand. Boys, busking, what is your input on that? Have you ever gone out busking yourselves?
I actually haven't.
No, I ain't away.
Okay, we'll change the subject. So right, have fun.
Brilliant. Destroy the mystique.
No, but from what
Yeah.
I gather, or what I would imagine busking is learning your trade, basically, and like Pearse said, you're getting a reaction straight away.
Yeah.
But an umbrella is very handy.
You know you've made it when somebody holds an umbrella over
Yeah,
you when
Bono
you're
doesn't
busking.
have that.
Oh.
He was watching you.
Supervisor.
Over your shoulder.
Yeah.
That's it.
Statue.
Couldn't
Yeah.
be there anymore.
Oh, the statue's
He's
there.
broken.
Well, not
Oh,
so
is it?
The ticket didn't he got
Yeah, Phil was
vandalised.
there.
Yeah,
Take
they
him away.
knocked over the...
Oh, what a pity. Outside Brussels there's a Phil Lynott statue, isn't it?
Yeah, he's back now. He's repaired, I think.
Is he?
Yeah, they fixed him up,
Yeah, that's right.
pushed him over. But Paul McCartney did busking in disguise once, and like the amount of people just walked past him, like, and that was Paul McCartney from the Beatles. So you know,
Oh, wow.
you got to keep going.
Well, listen,
you know.
I think we have even better than Paul McCartney in the studio, and
That's
I think
right,
I'm
we
hearing
are.
some serious sounds here. Looking forward to seeing what's going to happen, guys. You have a new song. This is the Kells Heritage song. What's
That's right.
happening
Yeah,
here?
yeah. Kel's Tourism Board
Okay.
asked, commissioned me to do a song, and this is
As
the
you
song.
do,
as you
Mr.
do,
Halpin.
yeah, as you do, and the
Yeah.
video's up now. It's on YouTube, so if you
Right.
just look up Kel's Tourism, and it's on that. So yeah, so this
Great.
is the song.
Well, listen, we won't mess about. Let's go straight
Okay.
into this one. Here we go, guys.
Like falling, I'm dreaming, calling to you. Am I getting through to stop falling?
That's it.
Oh, wow. I just want to soak that up. That was fantastic.
Lovely, thank you.
Guys, that was Pearse Halpin and the band. You're with me. I'm Mary Johnny West. This is Fireside Sounds.